Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First of all, you need to install the OpenJDK. Run the next command to install OpenJDK on your system. Once installation is finished, check the version of Java with the next command. Run the next command to install a collection of essential development tools and libraries. Next, use this command to download and run the Meteor installation script using the curl. The next command retrieves the Sandstorm release key and imports it into your GPG keyring to verify the integrity of Sandstorm package. Next commands help you to download the Sandstorm installation script using the next wget command. Lastly, use the next command to run the installation script. Once the installation is completed, go into your browser and use the next link. You will see the following. That's it. Now you can start work with Sandstorm. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.